Yep, we're heading down to the Malecon at night. Something to eat, a couple of cocktails, just kind of walk around, see what there is to see.
Watch fireworks.
Fireworks, hopefully. Yep, we've rested every freaking night this far, so hopefully tonight is our night.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll just bring it to you as we see it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Mexico's just got the coolest art everywhere. I wish Canada does it in some spots, but not as much as Mexico. I wish we did a lot more of it. Alright, so there's going to be various places where you can go to the washroom. You see these sculptures here, right below it, there's a public washroom.
7 pesos.
7 pesos.
For toilet
You're
paper.
probably always going to have to pay for toilet paper. So yeah, just know about that. But there is public washrooms around available at the Malecon.
And yeah, maybe if you bring Kleenex, you don't have to give them anything. I don't know.
7 pesos, really. Just let it go.
Yeah.
The two guys from the Muppets died 10 years ago.
Senior frogs.
Yeah, senior frogs. Don't waste your time. It's too much money. It's like as far from Mexico as you can get for authenticity. I think I kind of like this better at night.
We're not dying of heat.
Yeah, we're not dying of heat, and the shadows are kind of better off the sculptures and stuff.
Oh, dude, what's happening?
Where?
I think. I just saw the lights flaring out there.
That is, we think, the pirate ship. We'll load down the pirate ship, at least from the Crystal Vallarta. They wanted, what was it?
With the lobster dinner and open bar, $170 US each.
Yeah, which that was a hard no for us. We haven't eaten yet, but I'm sure we'll spend, well, that each, yeah, so that's like $350 US. Yeah, that's not happening. So we're gonna probably go find a couple places to eat, some apps, some cocktails, and we'll spend a quarter of that, and we'll let you know what it was.
It's entertainment, live music.
Yeah, entertainment, live music.
Fireworks.
Fireworks, although we
Open bar, if you weren't at an all-inclusive, might be worth some money.
That lobster's gonna be pretty freaking good for $175 though.
Yeah.
Oh, and they're prime rib too, didn't they? Or,
premium wines, he said.
yeah, premium wines. So I'm not knocking it. I've never been on it. We did talk to some people that went on it. We did talk to the people that organize it. So maybe you can find it cheaper because everything's negotiable in Mexico. If you do, good on you.
We didn't try.
We didn't even try. This is like Santa's Village meets Las Vegas on a lower scale, eh? Like I've not been to Vegas, but just from all the lights and shit.
Yeah.
I didn't recognize it, but fun. If you plan on walking the whole mile-long Malecon here, which we really suggest that you do, there's going to be 12 different statues you're going to come across. I have no idea what that's supposed to represent. This is a weird one, eh? These chair ones were probably our favorite. They kind of looked like Salvador Dali had a nightmare on acid or something. But that one's my favorite. It's so just weirdly bizarre that's just the one that I like the most. And then we stopped here for a little bit and had a rest. These little pigs are creepy. Pay attention to some of the finer details here. Karen pointed out to me that this guy put a butt in the back of every one of these chairs, so he's definitely a butt man. Good on him. The Malecon definitely has a different vibe at night. I actually kind of preferred it. We found there to be less people there for whatever reason. Maybe it was just the day we were there. We're coming up here to the Puerto Vallarta sign. To us, it looked like there was less people here if you want to take your picture at night.
I heard a firework.
I thought so too. We let these fireworks off every night, but it took us 5 days to catch them. Don't ask me what all those bells are in the background, because we don't know.
Here we go.
despite what it looks like right here, we are not in the witness relocation program. What's really funny is we were walking around trying to find a restaurant to walk that from and just sat down here. The boat was right in front of us and that just went off. So that could not have been timed any better, right?
Yeah.
So off to cocktails.
Totally free to do.
Completely free. That's the pirate ship we talked about. So
here's our view.
Yeah, this is our view. So it's time to find a baño and some cocktails and something to eat. Like hot dog stand. Look at the size of those. I've seen a foot long, but I don't think I've seen a 2 foot long.
We were there the other day.
Yep. Some horchata, some pies. Oh, some of those look really good. It's the best potato chip.
We were there the other day.
Yeah, actually, I had my first margarita ever there, and I lost my GoPro, so all the footage that went with it. But it was good. Long story short. I thought we were past this already. Here's that corn, elotes.
Yep.
Elotes. Fruit. Yep. Oh, there's some shrimp. What's this one? Esquites.
I think I want this though.
Marcasitas. Walking tacos. Elotes.
Ooh, desserts.
A dessert table to make my sister proud, probably. This is the crepa, so crepes.
No, it'll be marcasitas.
This is French crepes in the bottom. Authentic French crepes.
It's all the same stuff they put in marcasitas.
Oh, yeah, those are good. Is that ice cream?
Yep. I pointed that out the other day. When I lost
Oh, there's the Sandman.
Oh, different one.
Oh, senor. Daiquiri Dicks.
Here's the seating area.
Oh, yeah.
Right on the beach. It's Daiquiri Dicks.
Never
Looks
been?
like sausage fest.
Sausage fest. Hey, check this place out, man.
Oh,
Looks like you're sitting inside a jacuzzi table. That's pretty cool.
yeah,
That
pretty
is
neat.
kind of neat. What's the name of this place? Underwater Dicks. What's that?
Rock.
Oh, Norrock. It is. I don't know, you probably walk the Malecon, what, 5 times and still see something different every day? Oh, wow, yeah. I don't know what kind of trees those are, dude. It's pretty nice.
We just walked by a
And he didn't seem to care. And there's another one coming up, so we'll see if we can go 3 for 3. Oh, wow.
Very cool.
Yep. Coming up here, you're going to see the Los Muertos Beach Pier. It's lit up at night. It's kind of nice to see the lights reflecting off the water down here.
Another thing to love about Puerto Vallarta, some of the beautiful, colorful streets. And now we're off to look for somewhere to eat.
All right, so we're done in the Malecon now, and we've stopped at a place to get a couple tacos and a cocktail, and we're going to cab back to the resorts. This is called Mandiles Taco Bar. I got a beer. She got a margarita. Surprise. And we'll tell you how much all this stuff costs. Tacos were like 20 pesos a piece, but we got to. Well, that was loud. We got to pay in US because we're out of pesos. There, in case you could see it really. But that's the menu: 65 for quesadilla. We've not tried a volcanos yet. Burritos. Gringas are like a quesadilla kind of.
Like a quesadilla, yeah.
And the tortas are like a sandwich. All right, this is chorizo here. So pork
Yeah.
and asada. They ran out of the other 2. So and then we got some guacamole sauce, I believe it is. We're unsure which one's hottest. Karen's gonna let us
I
know.
think this one.
And some lime, and like I said, a beer and a margarita. So
A very strong margarita.
very strong margarita, so that bodes well for
So
me.
let's do this.
That's the hot one. Wait for it.
Hot. Not crazy.
Okay.
I'm not going to do that.
All right. Oh, come on. That should be avocado sauce, I think.
avocado, lime, cilantro. That one's really good.
Yeah. Just a small dab.
This is gonna ruin my meal.
It's not gonna ruin it. Might make you drink your margarita quicker.
Oh my
Got that?
Instant.
It's hot wings all over again. That bad? Seriously?
Oh my god. That one's hot.
You did the same thing. You went for ice as soon as you had the hot wing sauce.
Some very good.
I had the chorizo one first, the bite of it. Very nice. Very nice. Not too greasy. Like, chorizo's greasy meat, let's be fair, but it's very tasty.
Sorry.
You like it? No? You're not a big chorizo fan. What do you think it tastes?
It's good.
It's good, yeah.
It's like over well done.
Yeah, but I like that. The crispy
So
edges.
most of the grease is gone.
Yeah.
Good.
It's good. Coming from somebody that does not like chorizo over there. Okay, next up's asada.
I loaded with the medium.
The medium sauce? Ooh. That's Mac.
Not as good as last one.
I've had better than
Yeah.
that, but still good. Last up's the pork one. It's got pineapple on it.
Cilantro, onion.
Cilantro, onions. Full, to be honest. Pineapple's really good. For me, the winner's the chorizo. Like hands down. So this cost us 280 pesos for 5 tacos, 2 beers, and a margarita. But anyway, this was good. I would come back here. The chorizo tacos were on point. The tacos were not as good.
Sauce was very good.
But yeah, those very good. In case you're looking for this bar now, it's called the Bien Nice Bar Lounge. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, throw it a like below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the bell if you want to be notified when we make another video. We're just going to head her back to the hotel where we got our drinks already paid for, and then we're going to call it a night. Hope you see you next time. Until the next time, cheers.